Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Wednesday fashion vlog. So today's video is we gonna do unboxing. So I have this my Tory Burch bag here and another one. This one is from my coworker and friend. So this is the gift I received for her for my Christmas gift before I'm gonna go somewhere. So come on guys, let's start. First is we gonna unbox this. I don't know what is it, but this is the person that gave it to me. This bag is also, she gave it to me this. So I'm just gonna unbox this one and wow, so tight. Oh wow guys, I love this Mercy chocolate. I have this before. This is so good. So I love this one. Now I have these snacks during my travel adventure very soon. So and this one is from one of our friends, much love Mark and Lara. So let's open this guy. Every week I open my Christmas gift because during Christmas we're not gonna be here. And we're just gonna travel. Oh, another chocolate is Cadbury Caramel. I love this. Oh my god, I'm gonna gain again. So anyway, I gain a lot. So this one, let's start this from my friend. It's a big bag. So let's see what she gonna have for me. I love the box. Oh my god, this is the first time that I have this box from Tory Burch. I always go there. That's my one of my favorite brands. And I love it actually. Look at that. But it doesn't stand. So, then I do that. And first thing is she said she have a two for me. One is I can wear for my travel. Oh wow. And this one guys is a top. So the one that I'm gonna have the first one. And then let's do the second one. I love. Oh wow. This is a bag for travel. Oh, I love this because actually I have some collections of my Tory Burch, like actually it's look like I have mostly of the purses bag, but this one I don't have it. This I love this because this one I can put my camera here. Oh, they have also saver here, so maybe my card or my wallet. And there's have another one here. It's maybe my phone can fit here. So wow, it's perfect. She know by the way that I always go out or out of town. And this is gonna be look like this. Look at that. I love it. Wow. this one, guys. Let me put this one here too. And then the next one is this bag. Actually, this one I buy it, so I just wanna share with you guys what I have. And this is the first one that I have, and I love the colors because actually this orange colors is my husband favorite and my dad. So I have this. This is for the sunglasses. I don't have a sunglasses of Tory Burch yet, but I buy this because it's so cute, and also I love the colors. It's orange color. So I have that one, guys, and let's open this one. This one is the last one, but not the least. Hopefully I can go back there again. And by the way, guys, my bracelet is also from Tory Burch. And this is Toran. I love this white backpack, so I can even wear like that. It's so cool. I love it. Yeah. Or I can do this. See? This is the one that I have, guys. I love all of these. So thank you so much, guys. By the way, every Wednesday, every my passion vlog, I promote all of my vlogs. Every Monday is about the restaurant, food, and whatever we cook here in our house because we cook only once a week. And then Wednesday is my fashion vlog, unboxing, shopping, and collection in my closet. Every Friday is my travel vlog, all the adventures that we have, hotels, and also the restaurant. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope you liked my video. See you soon.